Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you where I buy my oil and also the unsalted butter, which is ghee I use in my cooking. This is mainly section. These are all dressings. And while I'm here, I'm going to pick up croutons because I'm going to make soup. These are various types of oils, vinegar, oils. This is the ghee I like to buy, and it's on sale right now for $29.99, 30 bucks. So I'm going to pick up this one, and when I buy, I always make sure the package sealing is intact and it's not open. And expiry date is November 16th, so I'm not going to buy too much, maybe only one, because I don't really use that much, only sometimes. I use this in my dal, lentils, and stuff like that. Here is all the oils, various types, and the prices. Looks like right now olive oil is on sale, so I need to see which one I can pick up. We don't use much oil, so I try to stay away. And also you can see there's pan, you can just put in a non-stick pan, and you don't need the oil. So everyone is being health conscious now. There you go, there's corn oil on sale, there's canola. I use that for my cooking, not for stir fry. Stir fry I always use nice extra virgin oil. So here, not even a liter, it's on 11.50, and this one is 1 liter for $13.99. I like Gallo. Gallo is a good company, and they have 100% pure olive oil. Or Bartoli, which is $1 more, but it is a good olive. This is organic, so you can read. It says extra virgin oil, so it's like a cold press. And this one is not even a liter, but it's more expensive because it's organic. Okay, so I'm going to pick up, I think I'm going to go to Costco and see if I can pick up a big can from there. They have big cans of oils, which can last at least 2 months or so, as compared to this one. Here, you see more varieties of mayonnaise, sauce, condiments, ketchup. Most of the time I buy a big bottle of sriracha sauce. It's here, seasonings, and so on, olive oils, and olives. Thank you for stopping by, and I will be back again. Have a great day.